Here's the script. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's been getting a lot of buzz in the gaming community, the Skytech Gaming Shadow 5. I've gotta say, I was really excited to dive into this system and see what all the fuss is about. First off, let's talk about the CPU. This thing is powered by an Intel Core Ultra 7 U7 270K 5.4GHz processor, which might sound like a mouthful, but trust me, it's a beast. Think of it like this, your computer's brain. It's what makes all the calculations happen, and in this case, it's doing it at a whopping 5.4 GHz with turbo boost. That means it can go way faster than usual when you really need it to. And that's exactly what matters for gaming. Now, let's move on to some of the storage options. You've got a 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD here, which is essentially a super fast hard drive that loads up games and programs in seconds. To put it into perspective, traditional hard drives are like a slow highway, but this thing is like a high-speed rail. It's way faster and more efficient. Next up, we've got the graphics card. This isn't just any ordinary graphics card, folks. It's an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory. Think of it like this, when you're gaming, your computer is basically rendering images on a screen that's way too fast for our eyes to follow. That's what the graphics card does, it makes all those images appear smooth and seamless. And in this case, we've got 12 GB of extra memory that helps take those images to the next level. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about RAM, but let's talk about something even more important, the cooling system. This thing has a 360mm AIO liquid CPU cooler with ARGB fans. Basically, it means that your computer won't overheat when you're gaming or doing other demanding tasks. That's right, this system is designed to keep your components running smoothly and quietly, so you can game without worrying about it getting too hot. Another feature I really like about the Shadow 5 is its Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. This means that you'll be able to connect to the internet seamlessly and get those sweet upload speeds, perfect for streaming or online gaming. And don't worry, this thing also comes with a lot of USB ports, HDMI, and DisplayPort options. One more thing I want to highlight is the keyboard and mouse that come bundled with the Shadow 5. Now, these aren't just any ordinary keyboards and mice, folks. These are top-notch gaming peripherals that will help you take your game to the next level. But what really sets the Shadow 5 apart from other gaming PCs on the market? Well, for starters, it's packed with a ton of powerful specs. We're talking up to 60+ FPS gameplay and detailed 1440p Quad HD resolution. That means that when you're gaming, everything is going to look crystal clear and run smoothly. And let's not forget about the warranty. This thing comes with a full 1-year warranty on parts and labor, plus free technical support from Skytech Gaming itself. It's clear that these guys are confident in their product. Now, I've gotta say, after spending some quality time with the Shadow 5, I can see why it's getting so much attention. From its powerful specs to its efficient cooling system, this thing is designed to help you game like a pro without breaking the bank. And if you're looking for a new gaming rig, I'd definitely recommend giving the Skytech Gaming Shadow 5 a look. You can check out the link below to get your hands on one of these incredible systems. Trust me, it's worth it.